Hey everybody. So in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can create 360-degree background images for your SharePoint Spaces space. One of the great things about SharePoint Spaces is really being able to give your users an immersive experience with a really great background, and the better the images you have, the better the experience. It's going to really add to SharePoint Spaces. But not all of us have 360-degree images lying around or 360-degree cameras. Well, luckily for us, you can easily download 360-degree images from anywhere on Google Maps. And there are just a ton of photos out there. And not only are there the photos that Google has placed out there, but there's also the photos that other people have taken and uploaded. So it becomes very easy to download one of those panoramic views into a 360-degree image and upload it to SharePoint. So let me show you how easy it is to do. So the first thing you need to do is go to iStreetView.com, and when you go there you will see a Google map on your left, and then you're going to see the panoramic street view or whatever on the right hand side. And what you do is, unfortunately, iStreetView doesn't have a way for you to search for an address, so you basically have to browse over the maps, and then you would drag the person icon onto the map where you want them. So in this instance, I thought I would go to Hobbiton. So what I did is I went over to Google Maps and I found the Hobbiton movie set so I knew about where it was, and then I came over to iStreetView, and that helped me really find it, even though I couldn't do just a search for it directly from this application. So I found the Hobbiton movie set, and from here I was able to drag the little person icon, and you can drag and drop them to different places on the map, and it will show you what that would look like. This would be my SharePoint Spaces background if this is what I wanted to use. I kind of like that bridge view better, so I'm going to try to get back to exactly where I was before on that bridge. Let's see if this is close enough. This is close enough. So here I have a nice bridge view, and I say I want this to be my SharePoint Spaces background. Actually, I liked it before better, so let's try a little bit different here. So basically, I've just taken away any free time you have, because now you're going to spend all your time looking for the perfect Google Maps image that doesn't have a lot of people in it. And there's a lot of images out there, so get on there and play around. But let's say that this is the image that you want to use. So once you've found the image you want to use, there is a panorama ID up here. So click on that to copy that to the clipboard, and then you want to download the Street View Download 360 application. It's a free app. You can buy the pro version, or you can donate to these great people who made this. You're going to paste in that panorama ID. You're going to choose where you want to save the picture, and I will save it to my picture library, and I will call it Hobbits, and we'll save that. And now we'll download the panorama. So that is going to go through the process of downloading that 360-degree image. It says the download is complete. We can jump over here to our pictures where I saved it. If I double click on it, you can see that it downloaded this 360-degree image. So all I have to do now is go to my document library in my SharePoint site, and we can come over here and just upload the image. Okay, the image has been uploaded. I can now come back to my SharePoint space here, and we can turn this SharePoint space into Hobbiton. So I'm going to edit my SharePoint space, go into Space Design. Now I'm going to go down to the background, and I'm going to choose a custom 360 file. It found the image we just uploaded as a recent image, so let's go ahead and select that. And you'll see it load the image here. So here you'll be able to see what it's going to look like for people. It's going to let you know whether you like it or not. Maybe you want a different one, but let's just go ahead and keep this one for now. You can also change the rotation, how you want it to default, change the height you want the image to be. So I want to lower that a little bit. And also you can have ambient sound, which I think really adds a lot to SharePoint Spaces. So since we're in Hobbiton, I'm going to add an audio file that is going to be some music from Lord of the Rings. So let's select this MP3 file I have, and we'll add it. So now all that's done, we can now republish our SharePoint space. And now you hear the ambient music. And we can look around. So you may have noticed that ambient music is really loud. We can fix that. So we go back into Space Design. We can change the volume of that ambient sound. See, so I can drop that ambient volume down to 20% so it's not overwhelming, it's just nice playing in the background, and we can republish that. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. So using iStreetView.com and the application, download your images to your heart's content. Maybe you want to have Machu Picchu, the Eiffel Tower, maybe the Colosseums in Rome is what you want for your SharePoint space. But basically, find the perfect image using Google Maps and enjoy.